back, guys. This time we have another awesome Season 3 Shopkins pack opening. This is very exciting. I can't wait to open this pack. Let's bring it in for a close look. As always, we do get 2 hidden Shopkins included, and we get the others on display. As you can see, we get shopping bags as well, and we get an all new shopping basket included. You can find special edition Pearl Shopkins. Those are the ones to look out for. There are 140 or over 140 Shopkins to collect in this new Season 3. I would like to thank Moose Toys for sending this awesome pack of Season 3 Shopkins in to show all of you awesome toy fans out there. That was amazing of them to do so. But there you can see some of the new Shopkins on the back. Of course, limited editions, the extremely hard ones to find, and we get our stationery ones, which are the special editions, and we get ultra rares as well. But let's open this pack and see what we get inside. I'm very excited to see what these 2 surprise ones are. First Shopkin is from Bakery, and it is Cheese Louise, and Cheese Louise is an ultra rare Choc Frosted Shopkin. Again from Bakery we have Birthday Betty, which is a common, but what an awesome Shopkin. Next from Hats we have Taylor Rain, which is a rare. From the shoe section we have Lizzie Lace Up, which is a rare. Again from shoes we have Snog Olga, which is a common. From sweet treats we have Ginger Fred, which is another common. Also from sweet treats we have Wonder Wafer, which is also another common. From fruit and veg we have Peachy, and Peachy is another common. From the international food section we have Scotty, again another common. Also from international food we have Sausage Sizzle, which is a rare. Now on to the most exciting ones, guys. These are the special edition polished Pearl Stationery Shopkins, and we have 2 of those this time around. Our first one is Nonny Notebook. Absolutely love the pearl finish. And our second special edition polished pearl is Penny Pencil. So there you go, a 12 pack of the new Season 3 Shopkins. I'm really happy with the 2 polished pearl ones at the front. We even had an ultra rare chalk finish as well, so I'm very pleased with what we got in this 12 pack. A massive thank you to Moose Toys once again for sending this awesome 12 pack in for us to show all of you awesome toy fans out there. I'm really impressed with it and I'm sure you are too. So now we have a new season of Shopkins to collect, so please do watch out for these hitting store shelves very soon. Thanks for dropping by and joining me for this review, and do check back next time to see more videos just like this.